Good morning, friends. Let's start our lesson number 7, metals and non-metals, from page number 52, noble metals. Some metals like gold, silver, platinum, palladium, rhodium are noble metals. They occur in nature in the elemental state. That is, gold which is 100% pure is called 24 karat gold. Pure gold is soft. As a result, the ornaments made from pure gold bend or break due to pressure. Therefore, goldsmiths mix it with certain proportion of copper or silver. Ornaments made by 22 karat gold or gold with steel small 3 karat gold and 24 karat gold. Generally, we use 23 and 22 karat golds for our daily use. Now, uses of these noble metals. These gold, silver and platinum used in prepare ornaments. Silver used in medicines. It has antibacterial properties, so it is used in medicines. Many times gold is also used, that is the Suvarna Bhasma is used in the Ayurvedas. Gold and silver also used to make medals. You got the medals first, second, they are used in the gold medal, used to make medals. Gold and silver also used to make few electronic devices. Platinum, palladium metals are used in catalyst. That is, they speed up the chemical reaction and don't take part in the chemical reaction. Now, how this purity of gold is decided? Sorry. When we ask the rate of gold in gold shop, it always differ. Why is it? Gold is a noble metal. Everybody know that. Many times when it is buried into the ground, throw anywhere, it is as long lasting. No chemical reactions on the gold, so it is a noble metal. 100% pure gold is 24 karat. Pure gold is soft, therefore gold ornaments prepared by pure gold mixed with the some silver or copper. To prepare ornament, 24 karat gold is used. Now, what is 24 means? 100% pure. When you take a coin or the Cadbury bricks of the gold, then there is a purity 999.9, yeah, 999 995. That means it decide the purity of the gold. 22 karat is the 91.66. 18 karat is 75% gold in that. 14, 50, 8.13, 12, 50 and 10%. But we are use only the 22 karat golds and 23 and 24. Here 23 means 916 gold. Yes, 916 gold is there. 916 का मतलब है वो 22 कैरेट गोल्ड ही है हमें. 23 का मतलब है इन बिटवीन 95% gold is there. Now, what is the corrosion? Gases in the air react with the metals in presence of moisture to form metal compounds. The metals get affected by this process and undergo, that is means a corrosion. Corrosion is happen in our daily to day life for the worshipping of the all the lotas and the thalis, which is made with the copper. They form a greenish color on them. The brass metal also corrode. The silver metal are also blackish in color. That means they are the corrode. Do you know that here on page number 53 you have given that there is Statue of Liberty in sea near New York City in America. The original surface of the statues was made of copper, but now it look green. This is because green color copper carbonate has been formed by reaction of copper with the carbon dioxide and moisture in the air. This is an example of corrosion. Here is a make a list and discuss you have given. A reddish color deposit is formed on iron by reaction with oxygen gas, and we say that it is a rusting of iron. A greenish color deposit is formed copper by reaction of carbon dioxide gas. Silver due to the hydrogen sulfide gas. Reaction with hydrogen sulfide gas. That is, these are the daily to daily examples. That is, copper react with the copper react with the carbonate present in the air to form the copper carbonate, and also the greenish color deposit from copper by reaction of carbon dioxide gas present in the air. That is, copper react with carbon dioxide gas. Iron react with oxygen only. Then silver react with hydrogen sulfide gas present in the air. To prevent corrosion of metal, layers of oil, grease, varnish, and paint are applied on them. You observe that when you go to the shop to buy some purchase some grills of doors, then any chair, iron chair, then you found that before the preparation of this chair they use some red oxide on it to prevent from the corrosion, and then they apply the color. Also, plating with another non-corroded metal is done. Iron is arrested by zinc plating. Due to this process, the contact of metal surface with air is lost and corrosion cannot occur, as the chemical reaction cannot occur. Now the next one is the alloys. What is alloy? A homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or a homogeneous mixture metal with non-metal is called alloy. That means metal and metal when we mix, or metal and non-metal when we mix, and a homogeneous mixture, that is a completely mixed mixture when it is formed, is called a alloy. Alloys are made by mixing the constituent element as per the requirement. For example, the stainless steel utensil used at home are made up of iron with carbon, chromium, and nickel. The alloy bronze is formed from copper and tin. Just like that, you have homework. Find out the alloys: steel, lead, yes, and again brass. You find out. This is the homework for everyone. Write down the examples of alloys. The first one is a steel. Which metals are used for it? Stainless steel you have given. Then bronze you have given. Brass. Find out it. Brass again. And then lead. You have to find out that. Now here our lesson is finished. And do you know and discuss is omitted from your syllabus. And on the next slides I have given the exercise solve. Exercise solve here I have given. You every exercise everybody note down in your notebook and send to me the pics of it. Okay, till